Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MTP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice price movement today, but along with that, you look down here at the volume and well above average volume. So great price movement, great volume, a lot of eyeballs on this one. We actually had a member alert this one, 30 cents. So I guess technically speaking, a little bit late, but later is better than never, especially when the thing ultimately moved up to about 80 cents. But regardless, like I said, a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above 50 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 50, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of that consolidation area, and that sits at 35 cents. So 50 and 35, two of the near-term levels of support going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. I get it. This line is well below where the price currently is, but as Wednesday and the remainder of the week play out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 50 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, initial level, going to be right there at 67, and then after 67, nothing fancy other than the fact that the party finally stopped today up there at 82 cents, so that would be the next level. But don't get too far ahead of yourselves. Don't be talking about doing battle and such up at 82 cents. The price first needs to prove itself in the near term, and I'm quantifying prove itself again as getting up above 65 and then starting to maintain up above it. So a lot of eyeballs on this one today. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of eyeballs on it tomorrow. Let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.